Good morning guys. Ito, nandito kami sa Terminal 3. So, pupunta kami guys ng Iloilo City. So, kasi wedding ng anak ko sa Saturday. So, napalayo kami ng Iloilo. So, buong family namin guys. So, napunta ng Iloilo. So, since na taga Iloilo ang mother ko, kaso hindi pa ako nakakarating doon. Siguro first time ko makarating doon sa Iloilo. At pag may time, gusto ko pasyalan yung bayan ng aking mahal na ina sa bayan ng Pututan, Iloilo. So ngayon, yung napapanasawa pala ng anak ko ay taga Liganes, Iloilo, or Liganes. So paano ba pronunciation nun? So yun guys. Ayun, habang naghihintay kami guys na flight namin, 7 o'clock pa ang boarding namin guys. So antayin muna natin guys yung aming ibang kasama namin. So ayun, ayan o, may mga kuwang kami. Ito yung aeroplano, mukhang hindi pa ito, pang international flight ata ito. So yan guys, yung tarmac. So mamaya dyan kami bababa. So papunta doon sa gate. So bababa doon. So maraming mga bus na dito guys. So, sino, maraming mga bus baba. So daming pasahero kanina. So hindi ko alam kung pa-international yon o local. Ayun, ito guys. So, nakikita na kamunti na yung pasahero. Kanina, ang dami dito guys. Punong-puno dito. So guys, ito habang hinihintay namin yung ibang kasama namin. So 5 na kami dito sa flight na to, pero may darating pa 3. May 3 pa kami dito. Bali, 1 kami guys. So, yun. Siguro, hanggang dito na lang guys. Siguro, mamaya umaga, pagka umaga. Ayun, saka na lang ako mag-vlog.
A few moments later.
Napalabig na sila. Ayan, no? Umuusok na guys, oh. Nag-disinfect na.
We are paging for the following guests: Miss Adriana Kalima, Mr. Jeffrey Kamangyan, Miss Chris Jari Castillo, Miss Amelita Domino, Mr. Francis Miguel Domino, Miss Antoinette Flores, Miss Annalina Lampong, Mr.
Very good.
Vijalini Linga.
Guys, andito na kami. Paalis na yung plane. Okay, so yun, oh. Lapit na kami umalis guys. Ayan, oh. Wow. So yun. Ayan. Safe flight na lang siguro. Mamaya mag-vlog tayo dun pagdating sa airport. Kasi maliit pa.
A few moments later.
So guys, re-ready na. Magde-demo lang dito yung mga flight stewardess. So yun guys. So, ayan yung mga nagde-demo.
Hello everyone, this is Chrissy and together with my team. Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Iloilo. In command of this aircraft is Captain Jeffrey assisted by First Officer Eugene Key. Our flying time is approximately 55 minutes. Ang ipanaytang pinamuna ni Kapitan Luna sa tulong ni unang official Key. Tayo po ay lipad ng humigit kumulang 55 minuto. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety.
So 55 minutes guys, ang flight namin magmula sa NAIA hanggang sa Iloilo Terminal. So,
Please direct your attention to of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt
Yun,
and
oh.
pull in loose end. To unfasten,
Yun.
lift top of buckle
Galing.
and pull free end release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your
Yun,
seat.
oh.
Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head.
Yun.
Take tape around the waist and push
Kaya
end to
guys,
buckle.
nagtetepo na sila.
Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate the blow to increase air. And
So,
push
for
vents
you
inward
guys,
to release air.
55 minutes sa
Light automatically
travel
illuminates once
flight
the
namin.
battery
So,
is immersed in water. Do not
siguro,
inflate the life vest inside the
madidelay lang kami
aircraft.
sa terminal kasi
Please be
may
reminded
check-in
that
kami ng mga
unauthorized
bagahe.
removal of life vests from the aircraft
Kasi
constitutes
puno daw
theft
yung
and
plane.
is
So,
punishable
yung
by
may mga
law.
maleta
In
na
case of rapid change in
pwede
cabin pressure, oxygen
i-check-in,
masks will automatically
voluntary.
drop from the compartments
So,
above you.
Kaya yung ibang
Grab the mask
gamit
and
namin,
put
yung
it towards
mga
you. Put it
gamit
over
namin
your
sa
nose
kasal,
and mouth. Pull elastic
nandun sa
bands
maleta.
sideways
So,
for snug
yun.
fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask
Siguro
first
sa
before
conveyor,
assisting others.
magtatagal
Keep it
ng
on
konti doon.
until you are authorized to remove it.
So
In
yun
case
guys,
of emergency
patuloy tayo dito sa
evacuation,
pagtitim.
Follow the lights. For further
Yun,
information,
no?
please
Galing nung
refer to the passenger
stewardess, no?
briefing card found in your seat pocket.
Galing, oh. Miss
This
talaga.
aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin.
Nakasimulate sila,
The
mga flight
location of
stewardess
the
natin.
nearest exit may be behind you. Each
Oh.
cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep
Yun, no?
window shades open and tray tables stowed. While cabin doors are closed.
So ayun guys, tinanggal na yung
Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all
naglalagay ng bagahe. So anytime, lilipad na itong plane namin. Siguro guys, babalik na lang ako maya-maya konti. So abang-abang lang at sa mga video.
Or charger.
Thank you. Salamat.